For the first time in 40 years, the Government of Liberia, under the leadership of President Joseph Nyuma Boakai, has restored electricity to Bentol City, Crozierville, and Harrisburg, all located in Bensonville, the capital city of Montserrado County, Liberia. According to the 2008 national census, Bensonville has a population of 4,089. The city is located about 20 miles, or 32 kilometers, from the national capital, Monrovia, and serves as a commercial center for the surrounding agricultural communities. Bensonville is the birthplace of William R. Tolbert Jr., the 20th President of Liberia. Before his death during the 1980 coup, President Tolbert had planned to make Bensonville the new capital city of the country. Prior to the Liberian Civil War, Bensonville had active industrial operations, including the production of milled rice, sawn wood, soap, plastics, paints, furniture and fixtures, cement blocks, oils, processed fish, and confectionery products. A technical team led by LEC Deputy Managing Director Mr. Mohammed El Sow recently toured the city to inspect the electricity restoration work. The project is being undertaken by a Liberian-owned company, Chris Electrical.
Yeah, this is transformer 3 for Bentol City. We started project October, and we almost by today, by 3 o'clock, I think the current, we finish everything, they'll put current in the transformer. So tomorrow, I think we'll start using the current in Bentol City. So the work is almost done from Crozierville to Bentol. The first group here, the second group to Crozierville way, and also they finish. So by today, 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock, everything will be alright. And the last one that we are doing here, the transformer 3, we finish with transformer 1, transformer 2, transformer 3 that we are on now. So we are going on.
Yeah, we are doing a conclusion of the transformer today. Today we'll be climaxing the entire work of this project for Chris Electrical Company. So we are almost finishing, and then from here now we'll be seeing our best to put the street light on to make the entire Bentol City to be clear, to see, because the darkness that can be here, when we even sleep here a day to complete the work can be easy. So now we can be fighting how to charge our phone. So we want to make sure for the government at least to help Chris Electric Company to electrify the whole bill. Thank you. My name is Manuel. Yeah, these are the last men are doing the work. We got Aaron and then Robertson and the crew. These are the last men that are helping to do the work. This work today will be at least climaxing the work, and moreover the work will be good for the survey.
So how do people feel about the job you guys are doing here?
Oh, for now the people are almost like happy, but they are not yet see the physical current, because as long as they see the light, they will already be celebrating. Because always they let us see the light. When they see the light, they say, okay, we got power now. But what are we doing now? Except for those that don't know the important, but all day they can be talking what you're doing, they're not really here. But now the people that know the important, they already know what we're doing. They already know, we're already coming to our end. When they see all, they can be appreciating all the blowing horn, telling all thank you for the high level of work we are doing in the community. Except for the people that don't know the importance of this.
For over 40 years, I spoke with some people who said, well, 40 years, there was no current here. 45 years, there was no current here. And you guys are putting current here now.
So, over 45 years, I don't know how they've been living into this environment. So today, I think this is a privilege to them. One of the important things that come into their life. So they're very much happy and excited to see us in our community. The very day we brought the pole, they were dancing. We saw the chairman, the community leader. They really, embrace us based on the idea. This is the please Aaron and then Robertson. We are doing a.
Explain this. What is this?
Oh, this is transformer. This is 150 kVA. KVA, which is equivalent to 394 arm. Yeah, this is 3 transformers we are putting now in Bentol City for our side because they got another people working on our side. So need 3 transformers we are not taking for now.
So what is this?
This is the panel box breaker. This is the breaker for the transformer. We use 2 breakers for this pool. The other feeder will got her own breaker and this they won't got her own breaker. So like the finishing of the work we'll be doing today, that is the breaker here. This is breaker. 3-phase breaker. This is the material used for the hard work. This is the other breaker I was telling you about. We got MV and LV. The lowest line is the LV line, and then the higher, which is the 3 liner up there, is the MV. That is responsible to empower the transformer. The LV is responsible to give the low voltage to the community. This is the output for the transformer, which is called the LV. The MV is the main line, main tension line from the hydro, the substation, to empower the transformer, for the transformer to get current.
So current will be here today.
Today, hopefully, but our bosses, and from the conclusion, hopefully we'll be having current here today, by the grace of God. These are the cars that are doing the work.
Is it landsman?
We got groundman, supervisor, landsman, and the bossman. The man in the white helmet there is the supervisor. And the landsman up the pool. This is the bossman coming.
Step on it. Go so.
These are the groundmen. They're doing the work. This guy is
Go so fast. You can't go so. Jerry can't go so.
Yeah, this is Joe,
You too.
the ground supervisor.
Can't go so.
Yeah, today is the final day for the project around here. So after this one,
Send
the street light coming. After the street light, we put power inside. So definitely, power will be Bentol City
Okay.
today. Today, Thursday, power will be here. By the grace of God. God, thank you.
Today we'll be able to empower the transformer, because according to rumors, according to our bosses, they say our president will be coming here hopefully on Saturday. So we'll come asking everything today to see how best to wait for the president to come dedicate this community. Ministry building over there. So before 12 we got 4
All
poles
the
bound to reach to the
all the poles
administration.
here will get straight light.
All the poles you see here, so they will get speeded, because this is the administrative area and the president want to see light within Bentol City. So before 12, all the places will be well electrified. So we're trying to plan out the entire work today. Just imagine I woke up 5 o'clock this morning to come to my bossman's house because I was packing some money.
So when the project started?
The project started November, and then
This year November.
And then this December they're trying to put it up more. According to Joseph Boakai, he said he want to see light within Bentol before Christmas. So we're fighting by all costs to put light on. And today the 18th, when I'm making mistake, we'll make sure we finish the work before the 25th of December.
So before Christmas.
Before Christmas. So we're making sure to install all the street lights today. We already finished with the street light installation on the road, installation on the road. So this is the only place that left to complete the street light, because the place was like getting a little tough time. So today we are climaxing this project, especially for the stringing of our work. And Saturday, hopefully, Joseph Boakai will be here to dedicate this community, the entire project. Because we'll be putting it on before 26, before Christmas, the people will be using our power.
Also by God's grace, maybe today we'll be trying to acquire.
That's why we are with them. My name is Emmanuel Dewey. I work with MBH project also.
This is Joe Fodo. I work with Skyline Group of Company. I work with MBH. So finally, we are here to light up Bentol City of experience current today Thursday.
First time in 45 years.
First time in 45 years. So Bentol will have current today. So first elected God, second elected president and mayor, the city mayor. John, you're doing well for Bentol City. And my boys doing well. Our bosses doing well. To light up Bentol City. So let's thank God.
Bring behind the work. Call your name, people here, the chief.
Now, when you interview me, you tell me. Yeah, this project was designated by His Excellency President Joseph Nyuma Boakai and his entire administration in keeping with the message and promise to the people of Bentol through Honorable Mohammed Sherry and Honorable Sir Joseph Montserrado County. We started a project on a team that the promise the president made for the people of Bentol after 45 years. After 42 years, today we'll be doing a testing the land, and we'll be putting the street light on. We'll be putting the community on. It will be the first ever testing in the history of Bentol, Crozierville and Bensonville. So this project is very simple. The people of Bentol are overwhelmingly happy that they are one only president that made promise to them is here in fulfilling the promise to the people. So we'll be doing a tour so you can look at the project, and also we got a team there, the LDC team and Crazy Electrical and the other contractor, Global Engineering. So we'll be doing a testing on the feeder. So you can go along with us, please. Thank you for coming.
So when you started this project?
We started a project just a few months ago, and we promised the people that we're going to dedicate the project
Before Christmas.
Yeah. We told them on the 10th, but we needed to do finishing touches and upon finishing touches, the managing director of LEC have to come and point out key areas that we need to plant some poles and post street light there. So some of the places were identified. So as you can see, we already did that already. So today we want to do testing. Then we get a project over to the LEC team and the president and his team for them to go ahead with their dedication. So that's what we want to do.
People are very happy about this project. Please.
Yeah, people need to be happy because this project is 1 year million. After for the 2 years, the boy are not getting access to electricity, to security. You know, electricity is a global security. So today, the people have been seeing the street light on, Bentol Crozierville and Johnsonville seeing the street light on. It will be very overwhelming to know that this government are working for the people of Liberia, not just not just private sector, but for the people of the country. They can see the light. So we'll be testing it today. So any minute from now, you'll see all the lighting on.
Praise be to God.
Yeah. So we're making sure that the result is here.
Long been waiting. What's up, how are you, sir?
Thank you.
I'm Emmanuel Jr, resident of Bentol City. Yes. And we are not been waiting, and we thank you people. If I hearing the kind of topic that today I want to come in on Jesus Christ. Thank you, Papa. Oh, thank God, thank you. And we appreciate the government of the Republic and that of the LEC family. We tell them thank you. Right now.